You put all the tray inside the oven, you don't have to worry that there will be not uniformity of your products after the baking session, because our fans will work to give you the best result every single batch you baking with our oven. For example, we are already baking 3 trays of croissant. It's 80 grams of croissants. As you can see here, there is no different size, there is no different color here, because our oven uses the fan to spread out the hot air to make sure all the croissant that I put inside the oven can bake perfectly and uniformity all the croissant here. So from the mornings, it's already 12:30. From the morning, we already bake a lot of varieties, such as Portuguese egg tarts. We also bake some bagels here, and also we bake some nanas tarts. And here, as you can see, we already baked some croissant here. After this one, we're gonna show you baking of the pan au chocolat. Let me prepare our machine here.